Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Experiment number 4, estimation of serum cholesterol. So let's we discuss about a biochemistry experiment. Let's we discuss cholesterol. Cholesterol is the most abundant steroid found in the body. It is a major component of plasma membrane occur in the lesser amount in the membrane of subcellular organelles. Cholesterol is the metabolic precursor of bile acid, vitamin D, and steroid hormones, which control variety of physiological function. Bile acids help in the digestion and absorption of lipids, whereas vitamin D regulate the calcium metabolism. There are two sources of cholesterol in the body: endogenous source synthesized within the body in liner form acetyl CoA, and exogenous source is a cholesterol taken in the diet. Reference 120 to 220 mg. Estimation of serum cholesterol level elevate the risk of coronary heart disease, as there is a causal relationship between hypercholesterol and coronary artery disease. Excess of cholesterol in the circulation may lead to dissipation in the blood vessels, causing blockage of atherosclerosis, especially in coronary artery, leading to coronary heart disease. Low level of cholesterol. Hypercholesterolinuric love been found in cases of malnutrition, malabsorption, and hypersodium, and in the severe liner disease. Methodology: enzymatic acids, ferric chloride, sulfuric acid, and Lieberman-Purge reaction are used for the determination of cholesterol in serum. Principle: when cholesterol is allowed to react with concentrated sulfuric acid in pressure of ferric chloride, lactic acid reagent gives pink color. Complex intensity of color directly proportional to the amount of cholesterol. Now check this equation: HO, H2SO4, HSC3. ये जो इक्वेशन है, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सल्फोनेटेड कोलेस्ट्रॉल. Now what we use in this experiment material: ferric chloride, acetic acid reagent, FeCl3CH3COOH, concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, cholesterol. Working standard prepare in chloroform 0.04 mg. Now we read procedure. Preparation of test: take 9.9 ml of ferric chloride acetic acid reagent in a centrifugal tube. Add 0.1 ml of serum in it. Mix well and centrifugate it for 5 minutes. Take out 5 ml of clear supernatant in a test tube and make it as tea. Preparation of standard number S1, S2, S3, S4. S1 tube 1.0 ml, S2 0.0 ml, S3 3.0 ml, and S4 4.0 ml. So this is test tube preparations. Okay, so first we heat all the tubes to evaporate the chloroform from the tube. Number 2, per black B, take 5 ml of EECl3 lactic acid reagent in a test tube. Next point, add 5 ml of EECLS active acid reagent in all the standard. Color development: to all tube add 3 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. React at 530 nm after 30 minutes. Note the OD plot the graph and calculate the amount of cholesterol in serum. Now see this graph. Check this all calculations. 84 mg / 100 ml. Check this 0.50, this equations and this graph, and concentration of standard in mg. Okay, so next observation. So working standard 0.04 mg tube, S1, S2, S3, S4. Volume of standard, concentration of standard, and OD 0.12, 0.22, 0.33, 0.44, 0.12. Volume of sample FeCl3 is equals to 9.9 ml, blood 0.1 ml, 10 ml, and 10 ml contain 0.1 ml of blood. 5 ml contains 0.1 multiplied by 5 divided by 10 is equals to 0.05 ml. Calculation concentration of cholesterol 100 ml is equal to 0.d of test multiplied by concentration of steel OD of volume of sample. 0.10 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 100, 0.12 divided by 0.5 80 mg/100 ml. Result. Now we read result. The given sample contains serum cholesterol 80 mg 100 ml. Hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.